Hey, what's up? My name is Michael, and on this channel we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. And I'm here to tell you today that starting a small-scale business should not be only an option for those people who do not have an income. Even if you are employed, you can choose to start a side hustle to supplement on your daily income. You know, we have a lot of bills and expenses that retards our development. So even if you are earning somewhere, start a small business that supplements on your daily income. It will help you to have enough money that you can save and invest for other activities. Well, I have a lot of machines, starting from Schoolchalk incubators. We have maize mills, we have pallet machines, we have bricks machines, and a lot more other machines, as you may mention them. So feel free to contact me for any type of machine that you'd like to have, for any services that you do. Remember, for some small scale businesses, we offer training to our clients and we shall help you venture into that business. Of course, I have some other technical advice that I give to my clients, and everyone who buys a machine from me qualifies for that. So feel free to check on my bio, or you can comment here. I'll come to your inbox and we discuss more. This channel is basically for small scale business starters, so feel free to subscribe, like, and share for more interesting videos. Remember, you can subscribe to our membership so that you can receive exclusive content tailored to only members. Only 5,000 per month is our membership fee. Feel free to join this growing community of entrepreneurs. I want to see you also scale up your business, and I want to see your business grow. That's why I'm entitled, and I will work with you through this journey of starting a small scale business until the very last day. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.